Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an 18 by 24 inch canvas that I have pre-primed white and is now dry. Excuse the frog in my throat. I also have some Meeden black paint, which I generally speaking like to prime my canvases with when I'm going to do it black. And I'm not going to do that this time. But I am going to use a spatula, and if we wind up with the black and white artwork that I like, we'll keep it. And if we don't, I'll add colors and do something else entirely. I generally try and use enough paint to go cover the canvas when I do this to begin with. I gotta stop soon, I'm going too far. Alright, so that's pretty cool. I could stop there, or I could do what I always do. I wish I had my smaller, there I do, I have my smaller spatula. This is an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Now the question is, do I want to go straight across? Or do I want to pick up a little something and then do something a little different and use that paint on the edge right below that mark, just because I can. I like the gaps, these gaps. I'm sorry about spinning the canvas, but I gotta do it. I do have another 18 by 24 inch standing by to prime again and do what I wanted to do if this didn't work out, because I kind of think it is working out and I like it. Just going to cover that edge. And let the paint on my spatula blade cover my edge in more than one place. I'm not sure how much further I want to go. I really don't want to cover the vast majority, but I also want the effect I'm looking for. I'm beginning to wonder if this is it or not, because I need it to be really something dynamic. I've never done that before, or at least not. This could be pretty cool. Just removing paint and then using it. That's pretty cool. I'm liking this a lot. This is fun to do. I recommend this. Still a little more paint. If you don't drop the spatula down too hard, you can steal some paint. And if you do, you get marks. Which I'm just finding out what I like now. I like stripes and things anyway. I'd like to do one of these one day let it dry and go back and see what I can do with color after. I don't know what that was. Pick and choose the marks I want to get rid of, or the white areas I mean. I think I'm getting close to being satisfied. Liking all of that. So close. So close to deciding I'm done. I think that's it. Or maybe this is it. And just look for places to put my spare paint down. But the nice thing about it being black is I can always cover it later. That's very graphic. I like it. Just going to keep wiping my spatula off. It doesn't have to be consistent though, because nothing in the painting is actually consistent. So yeah, that's got balance for me. I'll flip it all the way around for you so you can see what I'm talking about. And then I'll spend a few minutes telling you that if you like what I do and you want to support my channel, which is struggling right now, please give me a thumbs up. Your comments keep my morale boosted, so thank you very much for those of you who are so kind. Donations keep the studio rolling, and PayPal is the way to go. It's on the bottom right hand corner of my channel banner, the icon is. And if you are somebody who can help keep me making videos, look for the PayPal icon, but also look for the the exhibition video on the end screen. You know what, I'm going to put some black paint right below me on my Lolivefi silicone mat that I forgot to mention recently, and then I can just dip my spatula right in there and cover the areas I desire to cover, or make some marks below them anyway. So I love you guys. You inspired the heck out of me. Thank you for being here. I hope you come again. I have over 2,200 videos. I want a little bit of that paint right there, and a little more right there. I like varying the thicknesses of the lines. I've got a couple drips here, but I like them, so they're going to stay. Alright, I love you guys. What can I tell you? My email address is below the link tree. The link tree is the first or the second blue link under the video. The first one might be, sometimes it's a tools video, but I think it'll be the first one this time. And underneath the link tree is my email address, should you be interested in purchasing an artwork or making an appointment with me to maybe take a lesson at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Once I'm 100%, I'll be making appointments again. Use that email address, easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Oh, what can I tell you? The community board on my YouTube channel will have tomorrow's video. My Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, are listed along with Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more. and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fine Art, excuse me, Fans and Collectors. That was a brain cramp. Those are all links on the link tree. And if you have questions, please ask me. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it's underneath the video. If there's anything I can do for you guys as far as links to other playlists like black and whites or dominantly black and whites, just let me know and I'll give you a hand if I can. My spring clothing below the video is one way to help support the studio by shopping there. If you can't find what you're looking for, let me know and I'll add a pattern. And the same thing goes for pixels.com and Fine Art America. Blah, 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 blah. And I see a place I want to put a mark. Okay, 2, but who's counting? My legallerist is very exclusive clothing, and I need to get busy pretty quick because they have just offered to let me put 30 new designs in place. But it's the top link if you want to check it out underneath on the link tree. The very, very top link. All right, you guys, I'm going to go now before I get any weirder. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. If I said that, forgive me. I will talk to you anon. Bye for now. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Rambling again. Bye. See you. I post 7 days a week, or at least I did when I made this video. Bye.